Hey everyone, today I'm walking you through exactly how to start investing using Acorns, the easiest way to build wealth automatically. If you've never invested before or just want something simple, this is the video for you. Acorns is an automated investing platform that helps you invest your spare change. It rounds up your everyday purchases and invests the difference. So if you buy a coffee for $2.50, Acorns rounds it to $3 and invests $0.50 for you. Let me show you how easy it is to set up. First, download the app or visit their website. You'll link your bank account, answer a few questions about your income and goals, and Acorns will recommend a portfolio for you. Acorns offers roundups, recurring contributions, Acorns Later for retirement, and even found money, which gives you cash back when you shop with partnered brands. It's all automatic, no picking stocks, no stress. Just invest, forget, and let compound interest do the work. If you're ready to start investing with as little as $5, check out the link in the description. You'll even get a sign-up bonus to kickstart your journey.